Many young people standing by the roadside wandering around aimlessly is what one observes when driving through the informal settlement of Havana. Many here are either school dropouts or unable to continue with their education because of lack of finances. However, a group of 26 young people has not given up. They decided to set up a saving group last year to take care of some of their needs. They contribute as little as $1 per month and to date have pulled $3,000, which is in their account.
As a group, if there's someone that passed grade 12 and cannot afford to pay school fees, and then we can take from our account, we pay for that particular person and then further her studies. And with the fundraising, we hope maybe we can get help to build our library just here in Havana.
They are inclusive in their thinking and also formed a youth saving group, which is the junior group. For this group of 23 toddlers, parents contribute as part of investing in their children's future.
In Havana, people are really suffering. The small ones don't have school uniforms, they don't have school bags, they don't have school shoes. So with their aim is like to gather money or fundraise money just to buy for them school shoes, school bags, school uniforms, anything they have, they want to have, those that don't have. And also with the young ones, at the end of the year, December, we make for them a Christmas party. Like we have to buy for them dresses.
The saving model is new to this community, but if supported, it's one that will give young people hope for a better life, access to finances, and the ability to help themselves escape poverty.